Quad Remesher is an auto-retopology add-on from the same developer as the Z Remesher tool in ZBrush. After the add-on is installed, all you need to do is select your object and click on Remesh it. The quad count is the target amount of faces that you want the remeshed geometry to have. If adaptive size is higher, it will add more geometry in places where that is needed. You can also manually set higher or lower face density in places using vertex paint. To do this, go to vertex paint mode, then set the quad density value and paint on the model. If you're remeshing objects created with Boolean cutting, you'll want to check the Detect Hard Edges by Angle option. You can also use materials to guide the resulting edge flow.